And right across the street from Dex Seaside Mall is the Odaiba Seaside Park, which we will now enter. Or actually, what I'm looking for is, I think, a little further down. There's just supposed to be some viewpoints around here that are really pretty that I wanted to check out while we're in the area. I think we can just walk in. That's just for cars, I guess, unless we get stopped. If nobody's stopping, I don't know. It looks like it's just for cars. Guys, we just found the Great American Landmark in Japan.
We're back home.
Yeah. Also, this like walkway, the skywalk, is so sick. The views here are incredible. I highly recommend. You gotta do it. It's windy in this spot. Don't know if you can hear me, but beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. We're at the main viewpoint. You gotta come here. If you're doing a Tokyo trip, you gotta do it that way. I had absolutely no plan to come here, but we're in Aqua City, which is the mall right next to Dex, just because we saw it was here and there's some stores in here that look kind of cool. I don't want to spend too long here, but let's check out Aqua City. Dude, this mall looks huge and there's a Taco Bell and we might be going there.
Ray-Ban Vans? There's already two designers.
Alright, I guess we're going there first. Cordelia really wants the shoes from Blade Runner, but looks like they don't have them here either. We found them the other day, but just not in her size.
I think they're a bit big. I think I need a smaller size.
7?
Yeah.
Really big?
Yeah, I think I need 7.
Actually, they did have them. We just had to show a picture and ask. Turns out, if you want stuff like this, because when we were in other parts of the city, they were like sold out. Couldn't find it. There's like foreigners everywhere.
No, they're really small sizes only.
Yeah, all the foreigners are there taking everything and like.
Taking everything.
Well, I mean, it's true. It's like a madhouse trying to get things. Dude,
it's true.
just come here to Odaiba. Like, look up whatever store you're
They have
wanting.
so many designer stores here, it's not even funny.
Yeah, literally.
empty.
Go on Google Maps, look up in Odaiba about the store you want, and see if they have it here, and come do your shopping here if they have the store you're looking for. Like, serious tip. Oh, there's Taco Bell. I see it. That's an aquarium. Feeling like a little taste of home, so Taco Bell it is, I guess. Fast food is always, like foreign fast food is always kind of sucky in Japan. It's one of the things that doesn't have good prices, but a little taste of home never hurts. Okay, so it's a little bit different. Like, these have some kind of seasoning on them.
Smaller than normal.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, the burritos are really huge in them.
Yeah, there's some kind of seasoning on here, and they didn't give us any nacho cheese, but
They have it over there.
they do.
Yeah, it exists.
Do I have to? Maybe I have to pay for it. I'll go ask.
I'm going to ask you.
It cost me $1 to get nacho cheese, which, whatever, I guess.
Yeah, it is because I see popcorn buckets.
Oh, United Cinemas.
Oh, there's your camera shop. Let's just chain there.
We are in Big Camera now. This is one of my favorite stores in Japan because I like gadgets and games. This is the same camera I'm filming this on now. If I'd have bought it here, I would have saved like well over $100. And even if I would have got tax-free, though I can't open it if I did that, but still, so disappointing.
One of these would be perfect for my dad.
Oh, you should do it. I should not have brought her into the store, man. It is bad. Alright, we're finished here in Aqua City. Here's the exit. This mall was also amazing. We did not see nearly all of it. We saw way more of decks.
Maybe 2%.
Yeah, we saw hardly. We were only on one floor, the third floor. But we have another stop for the day. Because this was not on the list. Definitely put Aqua City on the... I really think Odaiba should just be a day in and of itself. I did not know it was going to be so good here, especially if you're into shopping. If you want to shop in Japan, I'm telling you, Odaiba, seriously. I mean, still go to the other crazy places, but you'll love Odaiba. We're headed to Ikebukuro now, a busier part of the city. The skywalks here in Odaiba as well. Crazy, right?
Yeah.
It's so pure, like pretty.
Wait, so is this a third mall?
That's another mall.
Oh.
Diver City, Tokyo.
Wow.
With a round one, Uniqlo, GU.
Wow.
Bro, just come shop in Odaiba, Jesus. I know for like clothes and fashion, Ginza is the district, but Ginza's super famous. Tons of good options here, and also not as famous, because like...
Yeah, so they'll be less likely to be out of stock of a lot of these popular things.
Yeah, a lot of people know Ginza, is all I'm saying. Not as many people know Odaiba. Dude, look at that, guys. We're in a Lawson's. All this Ichiban Kuji stuff. I think it's Ichiban Kuji, right?
Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure that's what that is, I think.
So cool.
There's another one, I think?
And a bunch of Back to the Future crap.
Is that the dog?
So random. Yeah, that's the dog.
Oh, so you have a little... That's so cute.